Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indonesia's Scorpene submarine production. Several Indian companies including Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited have set their sights on participating in PTPAL Indonesia's upcoming Scorpene submarine production. This interest stems from India's own experience with the Naval Group's technology transfer program, which successfully enabled the domestic construction of 6 Calvary-class submarine. Next. Is Su-75 Checkmate perfect to replace India's MiG-29s? Russia is making renewed attempt to woo India with its Su-75 Checkmate light fighter jet, positioning it as the ideal successor to the aging MiG-29 fleet. This comes as India, along with several other nations, grapples with the need to replace their MiG-29s. The Su-75 Checkmate, unveiled in 2021, is a single-engine, lightweight stealth fighter jet that Russia touts as the ideal replacement for the MiG-29. Last year, design patents revealed a potential redesign, hinting at ongoing development efforts. Next, aerial refueling frenzy. The Indian Air Force is gearing up to host its first ever multinational air exercise, Tarang Shakti, this August. The event, featuring participation from 10 countries including the US, Germany, France, is set to be a stage for a fierce competition between Boeing and Airbus for a lucrative aerial refueling contract. Next. Tamil Nadu, a hub for India's booming drone industry. Tamil Nadu is rapidly emerging as a front-runner in India's drone ecosystem, attracting established players and nurturing a vibrant startup scene. This growth trajectory is fueled by a combination of existing expertise, strategic initiatives, and a growing emphasis on indigenous manufacturing. Next. US wants India to use its special partnership with Russia to stop Ukraine war. The United States wants India to use its special partnership with Russia to put pressure on Moscow to stop the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and work for a durable peace in the region, U.S. State Department Hindustani spokesman Margaret Mark-Lloyd said. Next. India poised to secure long-term uranium supply from Russia. Russia and India are likely to agree on a long-term uranium supply pact for a nuclear power plant coming online in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, the senior officials with knowledge of the matter said. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Russia on Monday and Tuesday for the first time in 5 years. He is expected to hold talks with Vladimir Putin to help re-energize relations between the two countries and likely deliver strategic deals. Thank you.